All right, to answer this question, we're being asked which one of these are functions. Real quick, so here in this definition, important is that to be a function, each input leads to exactly one output. The really important thing is you can't have an input value that has more than one output. And just to remind you on this, as far as like thinking about x and y or horizontal and vertical, the input are x values and the outputs are y values. So let's just test this and take in some looks. So this first point right here, this circle, if you look at this point right here, think of the x value would be a 2 and the y value here is a 3. So that's one pair. That means the input of 2 is related to the output of 3. But then if we also look at this point right here, this point is 2 comma negative 1. This breaks that rule. This input of 2 is now related to both 3 and a negative 1. That's not allowed. And if you're looking to generalize that throughout that, we have this basic visual that says if you have a graph and you can draw a straight vertical line through 2 points, what that means is you have one x value related to 2 different y values. If you can draw a vertical line, this is called the vertical line test. If you can draw a vertical line through 2 points on a graph, that graph cannot be a function for this reason. So if you think about it, no matter where you draw vertical lines, on this one, you only go through 1 point. The same thing here, you can't draw a perfectly vertical line through any 2 points. So these two are functions. This one is not a function. This one right here is not a function because I can actually, this value of x equals 2 is related to 3 different y values. Here, that's a function. I can't draw a vertical line through 2 different points. And then this one down here is also a function. So, and looking at all of these graphs, these 4 on the right are functions, and these 2 that I could draw a vertical line through more than 2 points are not functions. Again, because each input can only be related to one output.